Everyone in the car needs buckle up. Come on, Chris. Sit down. Everybody in the car must buckle up. Okay, Mommy. Are you ready to go? Kids, are you okay? See what can happen. Mommy. No. Keep your seatbelt fastened in the car. Okay, Mommy. Okay. I'm hungry. We need buckle up. What? What is the sound? Look what can happen. Oh no! Always buckle up. I'm hungry. Okay. Let's go. Please don't forget to buckle up. Okay. It's necessary for your safety. Yes. Oh, now you understand why you need to fasten your seatbelt. Okay, let's go. No. You don't want to buckle up? Alice, I show you what can happen. Let's go! Now you know why you should buckle up. Now you see why we should buckle up. Alice, don't forget to buckle up. Alice, let me help you. Fasten your seatbelt on airplane. Okay, kids, we are ready for takeoff. And fix it. And go. Let's go. Now you know why it's too important to buckle up. Okay, let the dog go first. Let's try. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Please be careful. Are you okay? I always buckle up. You learned this lesson well. Yes. It's time for video games. Mom, you should buckle up. Me? Oh, Chris. I see. You learned the lesson well. Let's check it. What is it? Yeah. What? Boxes are locked. What shall we do? I know. Oh! Let's find the key. And open this box. You check this way and I'm going this way. Let's do it. Here we go. together. Let's go! Oh. Mr. Green's room. Let's check inside. Found the key. Number one. Toys. What we are gonna do in this room?
You must play my games to get the key. Nice job!
Let's find it! I'm done. Thank you, my friend. Bye-bye.
Goodbye!
Number 2. Airplane. Ready. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's check this room. Movie theater. Movie theater? Oh, let's go. Whoa, nice theater. Found the key. Number 3. It's a bubble machine. Secret door. Yeah. This is a secret room. Let's go. Let's go upstairs. We need to go here. Mommy, open the door. Nobody here. Mommy, bees took my lollipop. Bees? Oh, we need to save our honey. Yes. Okay. Where are bees? I hope they fly away. Hey, you! Tell me, what are you doing in my house? We need new home. Our bees need help. They need new house. Hello, we need a house for bees. Thank you. Our beehive is ready. Hi, bees! Welcome home! This house is too small for them. Oh, I have a bad idea. Fasten your seatbelt.
Welcome to my farm.
Hello! This is our bees. There's new home for you.
Blue color, it's for you. Purple for you. And pink for you.
Thank you so much. On your home. Bye-bye. Let's go.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. They forget their babies. Oh, no. Please, can you help me? Banana. Okay. Grace, can I help you with Alice? You need to feed her, reading books, buy new clothes, play with toys, go for a walk, and go to sleep. Okay, Mommy. Giraffe. An elephant. Panda. Tiger. Toast done. Let's choose a book. Oh, this is the duck. Birds, trains, balls, dogs. Car. Read the books, okay. This for Alice. Yes. Beep beep. This for Alice. Mommy, I want the car. Okay. Oh, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's play a music instrument. My babies. Sit down, please. Corgi, be fast. Ace one. Slides. You like it? Okay. It's time for lunch. Sit down, please.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yummy! Yummy! Tasty? It's okay. It's time to sleep. Good night, Alice. Go to sleep, okay? You are so good, brother. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.